Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, December 3rd. We continue with the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled Lighting Our Way. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Carl Jung. One does not become enlightened by imagining figures of light, but by making the darkness conscious. Beautiful. Let me read it again. One does not become enlightened by imagining figures of light, but by making the darkness conscious. If Jung is right, then perhaps paradise is no more than seeing the light forming in the dark. Perhaps being awake is paying attention to the ongoing moment of life that we so often take for granted. That moment, like conception, like seed cracking open, that is happening even as you hear this. Yet, as a headlight grows, filmed by driving through all kinds of weather, the gift by which we perceive gets covered by experience, and our ability to see is diminished until we clean the gift. This is a lifelong process, one that never ends, but always begins. So the care of one's being is imperative and continuous, as simple and hard as wiping the residue of experience from your mind and heart, letting your original face again light the way. Though like scratching the middle of your back, we often need each other to regain our sense of oneness. It helps here to tell an old Sufi story about a thirsty man who follows a muddy stream into a cave. He carries a lantern, holds it before him, and finds the clear source which he can drink from. When feeling muddied and troubled, we must not drink from the mud, but trace its source carefully. Carrying the lantern of our spirit before us, we must enter the darkness of our troubles if we are to drink clearly from the source. This is making the darkness conscious, and compassion is swaying your small light near others, too troubled or too muddied to see their way. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. As always, let your breath be easy and soft and completely natural, allowing your body to breathe itself without any particular instruction from your conscious, logical mind. Just notice how it feels. And remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix, change about this moment. It's already good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you touch some spaciousness in your whole being. Enter a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, your physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can flow through you, pass through you easily, without struggle, as energy that they are. And now, simply sitting quietly with your eyes closed, feel the light of spirit in every cell of your body. As you inhale, feel each cell brighten. And as you exhale, feel a slight increase of light around you. Inhaling, feel each cell of your body brighten. Exhaling, feel a slight increase of light around you. Just stay with this for a few moments. How does that feel? How does it feel to be the source of light? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I have the courage to make the darkness conscious. May I touch deep, natural peace. Now gently let go of your practice. And as always, check in. How are you right now? Physically, emotionally, mentally. As you go through your day today, whenever you feel troubled, see if you can stop and breathe slowly and light your way, remembering that one does not become enlightened by imagining figures of light, but by making the darkness conscious. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.